Most people get this wrong when they hear zero fee cash advance. They assume it means free money with no conditions. But here's the truth no one tells you. Apps like Gerald always have a system behind the offer. And if you don't understand it, you might end up disappointed or confused. In this video, you'll find out exactly how the Gerald app works in 2026, whether its zero-fee cash advance is actually legit, how much you can really get, and who should avoid it completely. By the end, you'll know if it's worth installing or just skipping. So let's get straight into it. Gerald is a cash advance and financial app that offers small advances with no interest and no traditional fees. That sounds perfect, especially if you're stuck before payday. But here's where it gets interesting. Gerald's zero-fee model usually depends on how you use the app, and whether you engage with its partner services or connected features. Now, the first big question is approval. Gerald does not work like a bank. There is no hard credit check in most cases, which makes it appealing for people like Jake or Alex, who have low or no credit history. Instead, the app looks at your income patterns and account activity to decide eligibility. But here's the problem. Even if you get approved, the cash advance amount is usually small at the beginning. Many users report starting limits that are low, often designed to increase over time as you use the app consistently. So if you're expecting hundreds instantly, that's not realistic. Now here's where it gets more important. Speed matters. Gerald can be fast, but sometimes transfers depend on linked accounts and verification steps. If your banking setup is not stable, delays can happen. So, is it legit? Yes, Gerald is a real financial app, and not a scam. But zero fee does not mean unlimited free cash. It means you avoid interest and some traditional charges, while the app may still rely on other internal monetization methods. So who is it actually good for? It works best for people who need small emergency cash advances and want to avoid payday loan interest traps. But if you need large amounts or long-term financial support, this is not the right tool. Here's the bottom line. Gerald is legit, but limited. It's useful for small gaps, not big financial problems. If you want more honest app reviews like this video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more breakdowns that save you time and money.